What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money by just typing or writing. So you're going to make money typing and writing, so stay tuned. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Welcome to the family. Let me know where you're watching this from. I always want to know where my videos are reaching across the world. So whatever city, state, or even country, just let me know where you're watching this from, all right? So I can give you a shout out. Also, for my regulars, happy to have you here. And I'm just going to jump into things right away. So make sure you watch this video till the end. It's going to be jam-packed. There's going to be a lot of value. And by the time you leave this video, you can start making money right away, all right? So if it's your first time on this channel, I talk about how to make money, entrepreneurship, and just to have a better life. There's a lot of people out there struggling right now that will definitely need to get like a side hustle, side job, or just to find a way how to make some money online. And I remember when I was searching on YouTube as well, how to find money, I found a way. And that's why every time I create a video, I want to share and help you guys so you can have a life of freedom as well. All right. So make money online by typing or writing. Believe it or not, I'm going to share with you guys how you can actually do this, right? So I'm going to share my screen. You know the deal. I'm going to share my screen so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Are you ready? Bada bing, bada boom. Look at this. All right, so check this out, guys. This right here is a website that is called TextBroker, right? You can sign up for this and you can start make money right away by typing, texting, or even writing, right? So as you can see, it's a legit company. So if you look over here, you could see like the prices and the services, right? There's why subs checkout, how to build order types, texter broker API, right? So there's like prices and conditions. So right down here, as you can see, you can be a client because there's a lot of people come here that, you know, there's many people out there and there's a lot of huge companies that would rather pay people to do stuff than them to actually do it themselves. And the reason for this is because they would rather focus on their business to get it going instead of stopping what they're doing and focusing on something that they could pay someone for, all right? So yes, you can make money typing and texting. So down here, this is where the huge company or whoever that want to find the people who's going to, so they go here and they sign up as a client, they do whatever it is. But I'm not focusing on this because we're here to talk about how to make money and how you can start to generate income from home, right? So you're going to go over here and it's going to say an author to earn money content writing. So if I click on here where it says, right, I write content. Sorry, right? You could go here and you could see how they pay, right? The payment method. Good work pays off. The better you write, the more you can earn. Of course, they want to make sure you're good at writing. So if you're good in English, if you're good with typing, you're good with texting or even writing, this is the perfect job for you, right? How TextBroker works. So they share with you how you can make money writing articles in a few steps. So if you look here, you can become a TextBroker author. Start earning money today. So as you can see, the registration is free. Start writing for cash. Finding your first project is easy, as you can see, guys, right? So that's why I create this channel so I can help out as many people as possible. Because guess what? This channel, you know, not everything on here people are, you know, will like. So that's why I try to kind of mix it up and, you know, try to bring out more content. So remember, go through the videos on my channel, check them out, and see if there's something there for you. And if you guys are looking for a life-changing opportunity, something that you guys want to learn how you can make passive income and how you can make a life-changing decision, then if you want to start a business, check out the first link below. Click on that link and you can sign up right away, and you're going to have someone who's going to walk you through and guide you, you know, every step of the way. So as you can see here, make money writing articles. Come down here and they could tell you exactly how to sign up, right? sign up. All the information is there. How you gonna get paid? PayPal. Text Broker, right down here. Text Broker offers weekly payments via PayPal. So again, for the people who want to have a little side hustle, or if you have some spare time, this is this is a good gig that you can start. So again, if you know how to write text, or you know how to provide content, they will tell you exactly what it is that you need to fill out. Look at this. Your sign up article. Submit a short sample on a topic of your choice and receive your preliminary rating. Learn everything you need to know about your sign up article here. So again, do you need all the information? Boom, boom, boom. That's how you get paid. So they paid via PayPal as well, which is even amazing. Open order, choose from thousands of projects at your quality level. Right, so as you can see, they have all the information here. So I want you guys to check this out. The website is called textbroker.com. And again, you can start making money from home. You can start, generate some money coming in so it can help out maybe, car. Maybe you got to pay for school, or maybe you want to, pay for, grocery or something. There's nothing wrong with making extra money. And the internet is a gold rush. This is where everybody is making money right now, online. And if you don't have a business online, and if you don't find a way how to make money, I'm telling you, my friend, in the year of 2025, you're gonna wish that you have started earlier. So while you're here, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification. Every time I create a new video, you're gonna be the first one to know. And again, if you want my #1 recommendation of how to make money online, check out the link below. Join my free Facebook group so you guys can be a part of the family. All right. Thank you guys so much. Hope this video helps, and I'll talk to you soon. All right. Peace.